The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057, 94851 58603, 700 505 7728, 8794 250646.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on the 25th of July 2024 sanctioned Rs 2 lakh for the construction of a waiting shed in Monabari village, West Garo Hills, fulfilling a promise made in 2018. The announcement came during the CM Connect program in Ampati, where an elderly woman raised the issue. The Chief Minister listened to various concerns from the public, including implementation of schemes, water supply, road connectivity and power issues. He emphasized the importance of direct communication with citizens to identify and resolve problems. Over 300 people attended the program and officials were directed to address the concerns raised. The Chief Minister assured that small interventions can make a significant difference in people's lives and vowed to streamline processes to improve governance. The CM Connect platform has enabled the government to understand basic problems faced by the people and take corrective steps, said Conrad Sangma. The Deputy Commissioner will also track the resolution of the issues raised, added the Meghalaya Chief Minister.
Agan baati cengku daprap agan sakita kuda cakang. Tahu nabo kuja. Ayah getting set mana mane Monabari songo program dongja. Hendak dia antang tani loksam lokal rangu sada rangu manggil angko bapaya. Ia rangko neti banu donggen banu cagen program manja. Mia parang dah pergi program sandia manja. Hendi bajes.
Langsuni grup dongama?
Dunga rangsa mahari grup dunga. Rangsa mahari grup dongin anga rangsa mahari ko Delhi munga ang. Rangsa ni trap hanti siani zaman mo bini bagan pun. Nga rangsa mahari mandu kaha. Wak mangsa maksu mangsa bini siao dini nimna cenga ya ako mandu kaha.
Ya dah awal mani makong ni kan ni? Next sudah halak kan apa jawab? Hai Bobo. Ya nak suni VO ni bimungwa ah ya waiting shed nak awal tangkap nak tinggal. Next seko.
CNRD ni mungkin sudah baru ni mungkin. Since it is not all the roads, all the villages have become unconnected. Now it is already uploaded, sir.
Yes.
Now under MITP projects might come.
Yes.
For this road, sir.
Friends, the CM Connect program is one of the flagship programs now for this government. It is a program through which we are reaching out to the people and bringing our administration closer to the people. We are ensuring that the schemes and the programs that are meant for the people at the grassroots, are they receiving those schemes and benefits or not? Is there any shortcoming in the work that we are doing? And can we do small things to improve the overall development and living standards of the people at the grassroots level? Through these different CM Connect programs, we are realizing that small interventions can actually make a very big difference in the people's lives. In the last 5 CM Connect programs I have had, 2 at district level and 3 at village levels, I have seen that people come up with basic issues and problems which don't require too much of intervention. It just requires us to streamline the process. And therefore, I expect that we'll be able to improve the overall governance and performance of this government and the administration by a huge percentage by simply listening to the people, connecting with the people, and trying to resolve the issues of the people with the intention of helping them. So without any further delay, I would like to start this public hearing. I know it is very hot. Some of you have not experienced this kind of heat also because they've come from different locations. But these are the conditions under which some of our citizens have to stay and live. And this is also in a way one experience for all of us to really see how the work happens at the grassroots level. So I hope that this CM Connect is not just a CM Connect, but it's a government connect. It's an official connect. It's a public connect. It's a chance for us to do something better and make the lives of the people for whom we all are working a bit better than what it is today. So with this thought process, I would like to start this particular CM Connect. I would request all our officers that I'll be calling you, so please be ready. As soon as the public comes up,